Hello, we're from Ukraine. I'm Oleksiy Kalmykov, medical doctor, scientist, teacher and entrepreneur. So what death occurred in my family too. Yesterday we got the information that our relative, a very positive man with two small children, has been killed by Russian fascists. And of course, even before this, I realized the situation, but now it hurts much more, of course. And I'd like to encourage myself, my surrounding, all of you, to take care about yourself, to take care about your fellows, your relatives, everyone, and rebuild the country, the whole world, so that this will never happen again. Keep healthy. See you. Good luck.